Am I being dramatic because I came with the bonnet on? Drum roll, please. Okay, so it's the 4th month of my Sisterlock journey, and I'm not gonna lie, I am absolutely loving it so far. Even on my bad hair days, I'm kind of just like, whatever. The only problem that I am seeing is with my edges. I'm noticing that every single time I have a wash day, they come loose, but that's literally because they're like 1 centimeter long. My loctician says that it's normal and it's nothing to be super concerned about. But yeah, so let's go straight into it and not waste any more time. Pigtails, my scalp, baby, my scalp, okay? No, my scalp is hurting. When I went this last time to get my locks retied, I almost couldn't even bear it. Like, I had to tell her to stop for a second, and that never happens, even when I was a child. Like, I never had a tender scalp. Like, I would feel pain, but it wouldn't be like excruciating enough to say stop. But for some reason, this pain was next level. So I'm not sure if my hair is growing or not. I would like to believe it is, because when she reties, she's retying something, but it's not necessarily like showing in lengthwise. Have my locks gotten a bit thicker? Yes, they have. Oh my gosh, this is so painful. But either way, my locks aren't really getting much fuller. They're only full like this right now because I put it up in pigtails. Whenever I put my hair up in pigtails or in an updo, when I let it down, it gives it a little bit more of like zhuzh. This is pretty much, let me get closer so you guys can see what my individual locks are looking like. And what I'm gonna do is, I feel like at my 6th month, I'm gonna do a length check. I don't really see much of a purpose of doing a length check each month, especially if I can't see the length. It's kind of just like let it go as it goes. But these are my locks so far. My ends are still curly. My hair is still full. I'm gonna turn around. Hold on. I'm gonna do it better than my last video because I had like hair sticking up my last video. Hold on. All right, so I'm gonna do a side profile so you guys can see. So my hair looks like from the side. Now I'm gonna go to the back. And now I'm gonna do this side. So yeah, this is basically what I'm working with thus far. And I'm not gonna lie, I love it. I do have this one strange lock that just is longer than the rest and just kind of dangles. It always does this, and I don't know why, but it is what it is, right? All I do is like, I kind of just tuck it back in there and act like nothing is happening. So in regards to my locks and my journey, do I love it? Yes. Is it growing? Yes. Do I still have lock envy? Sometimes. And it's even weird because I have lock envy of myself sometimes. Like, ooh, I remember on Monday, that was a really good style, and today, So I mean, it is what it is. I don't really see my actual individual locks getting that much thicker than when it started, but I'm still holding out hope because it is only 4 months, so I'm not even fully locked yet. Even my loctician, she has a mane. Every time I see her, I'm just like, girl. She's had her locks for over 6 years, and her daughter's hair is super full. So I feel like as it matures and as it grows and as it gets longer and as the locks settle in more, it's gonna get bigger because I really want like big, super full locks. But if I don't have that, what I have now, I'm actually pretty okay with. I think that they look beautiful on their own. My parting that she's done still a good job. My parting is remaining intact. I feel like I wanna do a side part one day because she always gives me a middle part, which I'm cool with. I never was a middle part person before, but like, I think I wanna see what it would look with a side part, because whenever I do my twist outs, it kind of is stuck in the middle part. Like whenever I try to do a side part, the middle part doesn't go away. Like, see, hold on. Like I could do a side part. It takes me a little bit before my side part really is able to be, because like you see how it just stays here though? It's kind of strange, but I mean, it is what it is. This actually looks kind of cute. What else? I feel like, let me see how long. It even hurts to like pull it. And I'm not even like pulling it hard. Yeah, the shrinkage is real. It's like that. My ends are starting to, let me get closer again. My ends are starting to like bud up. So I'm not sure if I'll have my curly ends forever or not. But these are pretty much what my ends look like. I can't really complain. Everything is looking pretty okay. I'm gonna do some more like close-ups so you guys can see my locks super duper close. I'm not sure if you guys can see it well. And I'm not sure if this is normal. And let me know if it is for those who have Sisterlocks. I'm not sure if this is normal, but my locks are real, like, I don't know. They have a lot of nooks and crannies that I'm not sure if that's just my hair or if that will go away, if that's normal. I'm actually very curious about that. I don't know. I don't mind it. I just am wondering, like, is this normal or will it go away once I get locks, or will my locks form with those ridges? And if they do, I think that's pretty cool. It doesn't really matter to me either way. So thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below if these ridges that you see are normal for all of those people who have Sisterlocks. And also, if you guys have any other tips for Sisterlock veterans out there that you want to give to me so I can like improve my Sisterlock process, feel free to drop it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Bye.